In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when Instagram is not letting you log in. Okay, so if you're on this page and the first thing you want to double check is you're using the correct username and the correct password for your account. That's usually one of the most common reasons why you're not able to log in. So if you've like forgotten your password, just double check everything to make sure it's right and check about that. Okay, another reason why you cannot log in, you might get some sort of error message. Something cannot be, you cannot continue for some reason. And that could be because the Instagram app is in fact down. So what you can do to see if it is down, you can go and open up Google Chrome. And what you can type into Google is Instagram down now? And if there is any sort of problems with Instagram, you'll see it pop up as one of the first results. So you can see it says, no, we are not detecting any problems with Instagram right now. So if that's the case, you want to make sure you're on a strong internet connection or a stable internet connection. Okay, so what you want to do is if you're on Wi-Fi, you want to maybe switch to mobile data, and vice versa. If you're on mobile data, you want to try and switch to Wi-Fi to see if that is in fact the problem. Okay, and then the next thing you can try and do is you can go into the settings of your phone. Then you can find the option that is apps. So tap on apps, then I'll search for Instagram. Instagram, there it is. And what I want to do is go to the storage option, and then I want to clear the data and I want to clear the cache. You can see those two options right here. Okay, and then as a last resort, what you can also do is you can long press on the Instagram app, uninstall it, and then reinstall it, and then see if that fixes the problem. So those are some of the common fixes for this problem. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.